Hello guys, in today's very quick informational video we will be talking about ChatGPT for user support. So, ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational agent that can help you with a wide range of tasks, including answering your questions, providing information on products and services, and even making recommendations based on your preferences. To get started, simply type any question or request and ChatGPT will provide you with helpful responses. If you are not sure what to ask, you can try starting with a simple greeting or introduction and ChatGPT will guide you from there. One of the greatest things about ChatGPT, it is available 24/7, so you can get help whenever you need it. And because it's powered by the latest AI technology, it's able to learn and adapt to your needs over time, making it an even more valuable resource for users. So, whatever you're looking for technical support, help with a product or service, or just want to chat, ChatGPT is here for you. Give it a try and see it for yourself how easy and conventional it can be to get support you need. So I'm on my internet browser, I'm on a ChatGPT site, and I ask it for some benefits of user support. Of course, you can read it, you can pause the video, or I ask it for a quick example for it. Okay, you can read it. Of course, the best thing is go by yourself on ChatGPT, try it, play with it, ask it whatever you want when you log into it, and you will see the power. If you need some other things of ChatGPT or something else, you can see much more informational videos and tutorials on our channel. And please, guys, leave a like and subscribe on this video. It's free, and I hope you enjoyed this quick informational video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.